I will talk about my other presentation. It is about the PISA 2012 analysis of measurement invariance of opens for problem-solving scale. Today, the rapid development of science and technological results in constant expansion of the data pool. As a consequence, individual qualifications are gaining importance and governments are making revisions in their systems of education for multidimensional development activities. Education is not only the basis of cultural and economical development, but also it is the key factor that determines life standards of people. Large-scale international tests such as PISA, TIMSS, and PIRSS provide substantial clues for the system of education. When it is considered that countries make important decisions according to results of these tests, intercultural equivalence value of the subscales that have been used in these large-scale tests become very important. The terms equivalence and invariance are important features that have to be tested in a scale adaptation and development studies. Items of a scale which is implemented on individuals placed in different subgroups that have been formed in terms of a certain variable, gender, culture, ethnic group, etc., must be understood same by all the individuals. Byrne and Watkins defined measurement invariance as the items of an assessment instruments to be perceived and interpreted as the same by different subgroups that it has been implemented on. And testing of the measurement invariance takes its place as a crucial step for the scale adaptation and development process to gather true evidence for the validity of the application results and to give right decision in view of these results. PISA subscales are practiced in a lot of different countries. Measurement invariance of PISA subscales have to be ensured as a proof of validity. On the other hand, to be able to make comparisons of countries according to their PISA results and for governments to make necessary regulations, all items of the subscales need to represent the same structure in every culture. That's why measurement invariance is a necessary step for large-scale tests. In this study, it is aimed to examine the opens for problem-solving scale, which was used in PISA 2012 with Turkey, Finland, Shanghai, China samples by using means and covariance structure variance method. Within this main target, we can answer these questions. You can see samples of this study. We make analysis of missing data and remove from it this data set. And I can say our data collection tool, it is a problem-solving subscale, and it is 5-point Likert type scale, and scores from taking this scale are measured up to give feedback to the results about the problem-solving skills of the students. And you can see confirmatory factor analysis results of this scale, and according to this table, all values rated the items are meaningful at a level of 0.01. And we are investigated the Chrombo alpha coefficients values obtained from the reliability analysis, and according to results, the reliability of the scale can be claimed to be high. We use the method of means and covariance structure invariance to analyze data, to analyze measurement invariance. And when look at the findings, it is the first questions. Does it provide measurement invariance for Turkey and Finland samples? When we look at the table 2, for configural invariance, it can be concluded that structural invariance is obtained according to the fit index results. On the other hand, analyses made for the second phase revealed that the model provided metric invariance according to Gauss of fit index and comparative fit index. However, couldn't provide according to the significance of chi-square difference between sequential models. It is related to sample size. When results of scalar invariance phase were analyzed, similar results can be seen. As for the phase of strict invariance, it was observed that the model obtains strict invariance according to Gauss of fit index, comparative fit index, and the significance of chi-square difference between sequential model. When we look at the other questions, does it improve measurement invariance for Turkey and Shanghai, China samples? When we look at the table 3, it can be seen that configural invariance has been sustained according to the fit index obtained at the first phase. However, it was seen during the analysis made for the metric invariance that the model provides invariance with regard to the Gauss of fit index and comparative fit index. However, couldn't provide according to the significance of chi-square differences between sequential models. As for the results regarding to the scalar invariance, the model provided scalar invariance according to Gauss of fit index and comparative fit index. In the last phase, it was determined that similar to metric invariance, the model provided strict invariance with regard to the Gauss of fit index and comparative fit index. However, couldn't provide according to the significance of chi-square difference between sequential models. And finally, we can look at the Shanghai, China and Finland samples. It can be seen that configural invariance has been sustained according to the fit index obtained in the first phase. On the other hand, analyses made for the second phase revealed that the model provides metric invariance according to Gauss of fit index and comparative fit index. Similar results were obtained in the phase of scalar invariance, and it was determined that the model provided measurement invariance according to the Gauss of fit index and comparative fit index. When we look at the discussion, according to the results, it can be concluded that opens for problem-solving scale provided measurement invariance for Turkey, Finland, Shanghai, China samples. Opens for problem-solving scale showed single-factor structure for the 3 samples, each of which belonged to one of the 3 countries with different culture. According to the analyzed results, the scale was perceived and interpreted as the same by the students that were present in subsamples of the scale. In other words, study results indicates that PISA subscale didn't act biased for Turkey, Finland, Shanghai, China samples and provided valid and reliable measurement in a relation to making deductions about students' characteristics related to opens for problem-solving structure. The result of this study were similar to measurement invariance studies that had been conducted before. And we can say that measurement invariance is strongly related to the validity of the measurement instrument, and measurement invariance studies, which are conducted on large-scale tests that results in important decision and policy changes, give direct clues on the validity of these cross-national comparisons and the decisions taken on account of the results of these tests. Thank you.